friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about combining of two different sets of data from two different excels into a single excel data using excel macro. So we can use MS Access DB or Power Query, but when we are going to do this task repeatedly for robotic process automation, we need to use a macro for better performance. So we will start the session. So the requirement today is we need to combine these two excels into one single excel without using any UI provided by the Microsoft Excel. So how we are going to do is we are going to use macro to combine these two excels. That macro will append the rows and merge and append the columns. This is the macro part, and we will go to the macro part now. Okay, so what I have done is I have created one macro sheet in the main Excel. So to get the input, what is the input file and what is the output file and what is the status. So I have created this macro file and I get the data in this macro here. So I am opening the input file and I am getting the columns from the input file and comparing to the main file column. If the columns is matches, then it will copy the data. If the column is not available, it will create the columns here. Okay, so and then it will append the rows. So now we will run the macro and see. Before that, I am going to close the input file because we are opening it from the macro already. Okay, now I'm going to run it. So input file is already open. You can see this is the input file which is already open, and I am setting the sheet import is the input file sheet, and sheet main is the our main file sheet. So I'm getting the column data and row data from the input file. If the row data is there are no rows, then the macro will end. If the columns is matches, then it will copy the range data into the main sheet. So I have copied already, it is copied already. We can see in the main sheet merged data. So the name is already been copied here, you can see. So same way all other data also will be copied. So here you can see department already copied. Okay, and then there is no column available as other things, so it is creating one extra column and then copying the data. You can see here it created grade column and copied the data. Same way it will do all the rows and columns, and it will finish and it will update the status. You can see here, so the status is success and it is the data has been already copied here. So if you see in the input file, the class of column is not there, so the data is empty for the newly input rows. So for the existing data, there are no columns available like this, so the data is empty for them. So basically it merged and appended the columns and appended the rows. So this is a macro we have seen today. If we have I will give the link of these macros and input files in my description, in the video description. You can make use of that. If you have any doubts or comments, or and you need any other requirements, just comment, and I will try to address the same as soon as possible. Thank you guys, thank you all for your time. Bye bye.